Let's practice what we learned in Lesson 1B. Here are some words on the left. Please pause the video and try making this sentence by yourself first. Let's check the sentence together. Remember, in English, in order to change from a statement to a question, we just swapped Junho and is. But remember, in Korean, the sentence structure is exactly the same, except we just replace da with ga. So here we start with a subject, Junho, and then we need a subject particle. In this case, it's 는 because of O sound of Junho. So it's Junho 는. And then we need a student. So Junho는 학생. And we finish with a be verb with 가 at the end. So it's 입니까 instead of 입니다. So 준호는 학생입니까? Is Junho a student? And here is the answer for this question. So please pause the video again and try yourself first. We should start with yes. So it's 네, and Junho is a student. We start with a subject, Junho, and subject particle, 는, not 은. So 준호는 student. 학생, and then finish with a be verb, 입니다. So the full sentence is 네, 준호는 학생입니다. 네, 준호는 학생입니다. Yes, Junho is a student. Well done if you got the sentences correct. Let's do one more. Here is a question. Is Tom friend? Is Tom your friend? We need to start with a subject, Tom, and we need to put a subject particle. And in this case, because of M sound on the bottom of Tom, we should use 은, not 는. So it's Tom 은. And friend, so 친구. And we finish with a be verb, 입니까. So the full sentence is 톰은 친구입니까? And here is the answer for that question. No, Tom is teacher. We need to start with no, so 아니요. And Tom is teacher. Subject, Tom, and subject particle 은. So 아니요, 톰은. And teacher, 선생님. And it finish with the be verb, 입니다. So the full sentence is 아니요, 톰은 선생님입니다. No, Tom is teacher. Thanks for watching the second part of Lesson 1B, and have a nice day.